So we start off with someone who has Rapunzel length hair, and they have decided to switch it up with this beautiful lob haircuts. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to react and take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here is an extended clip of that previous girl getting her gorgeous lob haircuts. This was probably my favorite transformation that I've seen in a while. The stylist does an amazing job, and she started off with hair that was super long. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous lob haircut transformation, followed by a stunning effortless bob haircut. Let me once again see someone with super long hair. And that is the same girl, so here's her showing off her lob. So we have someone else who has decided to cut their hair into a beautiful lob haircut. Looks like she took it shorter with a bob and decided to get some color. Absolutely gorgeous. And we see someone with mid-length hair. Oh, she decided to try out the buzz cut trend. Absolutely stunning. So unexpected. I thought she was going to go with a pixie, but the buzz cut looks beautiful on her. And then we see someone with long hair once again, and she has decided to get a bob. Gorgeous red hair for this next one. So pretty. I wish we got to see the front, but the color is absolutely stunning. Then we have another gorgeous bob transformation. Wow. Cute undercut pixie style. And we have someone with a long natural hair. Has decided to chop it into this beautiful curly pixie. She looks radiant. And we have someone with long blonde hair. Looks like she got a mid-length cut with some highlights. Like a nice, beautiful lob haircut, gorgeous texture. So they went from long hair to this stunning pixie undercut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. So let us know in the comments below which transformation was your favorite. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and of course, check out this video for even more inspiring hairstyle ideas.